What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you some elements in a new track that I'm currently working on. Some elements that you don't really necessarily hear right in your face in a track, but they definitely help the track be filled out. You know, they've got little different grooves and little intricate sounds like this that sit in the background. So I thought it'd be a good insight for you to sort of see the different little elements that you can add into your productions to sort of make them just that little bit more unique. So before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell if you are looking for production tips. I do these videos now roughly every week to 10 days. So yeah, and also if you haven't yet done so, be sure to head over to alanmorrowstudios.com for more in-depth tutorials. There is currently now a Black Friday sale on, depending on when you're watching this video, so you'll be able to save quite a bit of money on any production courses that you might have already had your eye on, or if you haven't yet looked at them, be sure to check them out. There's lots of things like sample packs, templates, tutorials covering everything from mixing, mastering, ideas, stages, and everything like that. Okay, so let's get into the video. Right, okay, so what I've got here is my track. I've hidden all the other elements in there because there's a lot in there, and I just want to show you these ones and focus on these. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly play the track for you first so you can hear everything there, and then I will go in and show you each individual sound. Right, okay, so the sounds I want to show you is these ones here. So I'll play them individually first. So we've got a nice little sort of stab hit there. We've got another stab here. So, you know, very simple stuff. And as I go through these, you're probably going to be thinking, they're very, very simple. But when you start to bring them all together, you'll notice the sort of groove and the sort of connection that they have with each other. Just a very, very simple little pluck sound. I've also now got this little, another sort of background pluck thing. I've also got this other one, again, which I've called Simple Pluck. Now this is very sort of simple and sort of in the background there. It's actually thunderstorming here in Australia, so apologies if you can hear that thunder outside. Hopefully you can't. So I've got this sort of like wishy-washy sort of sound here. Got some nice sort of movement and atmosphere to it, and then I've got this other atmosphere acid sound. So nothing, you know, crazy and out of this world. Another little sort of hit there, and then last off, another very simple sort of acid sound. Now, if I start to play all these together, you'll start to hear how they start to groove. So play from the beginning. And then the last one. And then I'll play it all in the track. And then I'll show you them when they have been muted as well as they're playing, so you can hear how they fill up that space. So there you go, just a little insight into the little elements that I have inside my track. Hopefully that's giving you a little bit of an insight. If you are struggling with your productions and you would like some help with them, again, don't be afraid to reach out. I do some one-to-one sessions with a lot of clients, helping them with stuff like this and helping them with their tracks to get to that sort of professional sound. And if you haven't yet done so, be sure to head over to Alan Morrow Studios to also join the AM Studios Trance Production community. It's completely free and you get exclusive tips sent directly to your inbox. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys, and I will see you in the next video.